Hi you guys, I'm going to share with you 5 recipes using sweet potatoes. My husband and I have been really into sweet potatoes lately, so I've been making all kinds of recipes using them. So if you want to start eating more sweet potatoes, I have 5 really awesome recipes, and they're easy as well. If you've been around my channel, I love easy recipes. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and always leave me a comment if you have any questions. Let me show you these 5 recipes using sweet potatoes.
This first sweet potato recipe is going to be a sweet potato quinoa salad, and it is really delicious and it's so healthy, which I love. So I'm cutting up my sweet potato into some little cubes. So I'm just using my knife. You can use a veggie chopper as well. I'm just adding it to my baking mat lined cookie sheet because I'm going to roast these in the oven. So I'm adding on about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I have some Lowry seasoning salt. I'm also going to add in some garlic powder as well. Give this a little toss, and then I'm going to bake these in the oven at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes until they're done. While those are baking, I'm going to cook the quinoa. So I'm adding my 2 cups of water. I have 1 cup of quinoa, and this is just a mixed quinoa. You can use any kind that you like. Quinoa is so healthy, so high in protein. This salad is not only really delicious, but it's so healthy, which I love having healthy options. So cooking up this quinoa, just the directions on the package is what I'm using. So nice and fluffy, all done, so good. So I have my quinoa and have my sweet potatoes, and they have both cooled. So I'm adding in my cooked and cooled sweet potato. I'm adding in some dried cranberries. I have half a cup. This is giving it a really awesome sweetness to it. I'm also going to add in half a cup of chopped walnuts, and I have this poppy seed dressing. I'm going to use 1/4 cup. It's so good. It's only 10 calories per serving, and it is just absolutely delicious, and it's got a little bit of a sweetness. I'm going to toss all this together, and this salad is such a great side dish and so delicious. All right, I have my sweet potatoes again, and I'm going to do in this one a taco stuffed sweet potatoes, what we're having for dinner. So I'm going to put some olive oil on top of these sweet potatoes. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. I'm gonna rub all this in. I'm gonna add on some salt as well, and then I'm going to pierce these with a fork as well before I add them onto my baking mat. And I'm going to cook these for about 35 to 45 minutes. So I have some ground turkey that I'm going to brown up. And like I said, this is going to be a taco stuffed sweet potato. And these are so good and so healthy with the sweet potato. So I'm adding in my taco seasoning, and then I'm adding in also 1/4 cup of water. Gonna give this a stir to make the taco meat. We love taco type recipes, so this one's a really huge hit, and it is really delicious. I have my Southwest blend veggies, half a cup. These are just frozen veggies, and it's great. It's got the black beans, the corn, and the peppers. So my sweet potato is done. I'm going to slice it down the middle, open it up, and then I'm going to add this taco filling into the inside. I'm going to top with shredded cheddar cheese. You can add sour cream, avocado, tomatoes as well. Such a great dinner. So I'm going to do a smoked sausage and ravioli sweet potato sheet pan. So I have my smoked sausage chopped up into discs. I have frozen cheese raviolis, and I'm going to add in, and then I have my sweet potato, and I'm going to dice up in cubes and add as well. This is a really great combo with these 3 ingredients, and could not be easier. I love sheet pan recipes. They're really great on busy nights, which we have just about every night of the week. So I just absolutely love this one. The whole family, this was a huge hit with the whole family. So just great combination with the sweet potato, the cheese ravioli, and the smoked sausage. Giving this a toss with the olive oil and the salt and pepper. I'm going to bake this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Really good combo. Very easy. Super healthy with the sweet potatoes as well, and just a big hit with my family. So the next one I'm going to make is I'm going to do some diced up sweet potato, and then we're going to have a turkey patty with it. So this is just such a great side dish to make with anything that you want. So this is going to be the side for our turkey patty for dinner. So I'm slicing up this sweet potato, and they're pretty tough, so definitely be careful when you're cutting up these sweet potatoes. I'm going to use my vegetable slicer to make nice even little squares. You just smash down on here and it just comes out really great. I love that they're all the same size, and it makes it really easy. And it's all the same size, so it all cooks evenly, which is absolutely great. So I'm going to add all of this diced up sweet potato to my baking mat, and I love roasting sweet potato. It comes out so good. We do a lot of just sweet potato and then have it with whatever we're having for dinner. So it's just a really, really great side. It's become one of our favorites lately, so you'll be seeing it in a lot of my videos, and I just love how healthy it is. So I'm using some ground turkey, and I have this onion soup mix, a little packet, and I'm going to put that into my ground turkey, and I'm going to make some turkey patties, and they're just going to be cooked right on the same pan as my sweet potato. So it's just so convenient to just do everything all on one sheet pan. So my oven is preheated to 350 degrees. So once these are done, I'm going to bake this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, and it'll be such an awesome, awesome dinner. So you can substitute any of these recipes for a regular baked potato if you'd like. We just have really been loving sweet potatoes, and I just love that it has such great nutritional value. So I'm going to add some onion onto my sweet potatoes as well. It's just another great combination. And like I said, I'm going to bake this in the oven at 350. Here's our really awesome dinner that is a huge hit. I'm going to do a crock pot sweet potato turkey chili. This is one of my favorites. I make it all the time. So I have my cooked ground turkey. I have my diced up sweet potato. I have a can of washed and drained kidney beans, a can of washed and drained northern beans, a small can of tomato sauce. I'm going to add in all of my seasonings. I have some garlic powder, some cumin. I have paprika and chili powder as well. Or you can add in a chili seasoning packet. I love using those also. That makes things very convenient. But I'm adding in all of these different seasonings for this one. I'm going to add in some beef broth. I'm going to use 2 cups of beef broth for this. And this is such a delicious, hearty chili. It is just so, so good. I love cooking chilies in the crock pot. These sweet potatoes come out so perfect cooking all day in the crock pot. So I absolutely love this one. It's a huge hit, and it is so, so healthy as well. So I love it. I hope that you enjoyed these sweet potato recipes. Like I said, we've been having a lot of sweet potato lately, so there will be more sweet potato recipes coming up soon. So I hope that you enjoyed this one, and I will see you in my next video. Have a really great rest of your day. Bye-bye.